Hi viewers, now I am going to make a review on Gama number 5 fountain pen eyedropper. This is an eyedropper model. It comes with 5 color variants. One is red, turquoise blue, and green, black, and purple. So if we see the pen, it has a plastic colored cap and as well as grip, and at the bottom of the body it has a colored tip, and it has a clear transparent barrel where a spiral design is present. It has a silver clip and rings, and the nib is number 4. And let us test how the pen writes before inking. And let me tell you how to remove the nib. Just hold the nib and feeder together and just make a twisting action or shake. The nib and feeder will come, so no necessary to use hi-fi tools. So you can change the nib if spoils. And just while inserting, hold it together and then gently press. Yeah, it went inside. Give some hot brush, again it will go inside. Yeah, so now let us do the writing test. Penos dot 10 is one of the best pen shops in India. Yeah, the nib is writing very smoothly. I think I have given more gap in the feeder. Just let me adjust once again. Yeah, now a perfect fit happened. Okay, so while filling the ink, please apply Vaseline. Whenever you fill the ink, apply Vaseline on the threads of the grip so that you will get more, good lubrication between the threads, so the thread life will increase. And in long run there will be no leak problem, because of the worn out threads. Okay, so this nib number 4 is available in our website. You can purchase if required. So this is a small review of this particular model, and this is an inexpensive pen. If you have any other queries regarding this model, you can leave in the comments so that we can help you better. Thank you.